Hello everyone. Oh my gosh. It was rain. Do you know how to say it was rain in Korean? It was rain in Korean is 비가 왔어요. 비가 왔어요. 비 is rain. 비가 가 you use when the noun without consonant. B you say B B and E without consonant, right? So you use 비가 왔어요. 왔어요 is the past, okay? It's the past, so you use 왔어요. But if the present tense, 비와요. When you want to use in the past, so 비왔어요, you just add some seals behind 와, okay? 비왔어요, something like that. So you see, right? So I hope this lesson is easy for you. 비왔어요. Oh my gosh. And now 비와요. 다시 비와요. I'm going outside. BYO. Okay, see you next time, the next lesson.